So here it says highlight the hidden question and solve the problem. Check your answer on the next slide. So there's two things that we need to do. So it says Mindy walks 450 steps every day. Today she walks 145 steps to the barn and 187 steps to the pond. How many more steps will Mindy need to walk today? So that is what it's asking us, is how many steps will she walk today? But we need to answer the hidden question first. So I'm going to get out my highlighting tool and I'm going to answer that hidden question. The hidden question is, she's walked 145 steps to the barn and 187 steps to the pond. We need to figure out how many steps that she's walked already today before we can figure out how many steps she has left. So our hidden question is this right here, 145 steps to the barn and 187 steps to the pond. We need to add those together. So we're solving the hidden question. So 145 plus 187. If I were you, I would write this out vertically or do it on a piece of paper. So I'm going to hurry and solve that for you now. So what I did here is I added the number of steps that she has taken. So I added 145 plus 187. 5 plus 7 is 12. I had to regroup that. 8 plus 4 plus 1 is 13. Had to regroup that. 1 plus 1 plus 1 more is 3. 332. Again, that's going to be easier to do if you do it vertically instead of horizontally this way. That makes it a little bit tricky, so I hope you did that on a piece of paper. So 332 is the number of steps Mindy has walked so far from the total of number of steps for the day. So we know that she takes 450 steps every day, and she has already taken 332 steps. So if we take 450 and we subtract 332, we're going to get our answer. So I'm actually going to write it vertically here, so you can see that. So this is what you should have done with the addition problem on a piece of paper. You don't have to do all your work here. Sometimes it's easier to do it on a piece of paper. So we have 0 minus 2. We can't do that, so we need to regroup. We make that 5 into a 4, and that 0 becomes a 10. 10 minus 2 is going to give us an 8, so I'm going to write that here. Then 4 minus 3 is 1, and 4 minus 3 is 1. So she has 118 steps left that she needs to take today. So our answer is 118. Remember, you would not have gotten this answer if you did not answer the hidden question. So our answer is 118.